Welcome to the 10-Minute Mind Shift Podcast. I'm your host, Janet Cagle, certified life coach, weight loss coach, and lover of all things related to upleveling my life and yours. My goal is to help you get one step closer to your goal, whatever it is. My goal is not to keep you wrapped up in self-help all day, just 10 minutes. And who doesn't have 10 minutes, right? Welcome back, my friends. This is episode number 64. And energy thoughts. My clients and students are often the source of inspiration for me, and this podcast episode is one of those. A few weeks ago, as one of my students was sharing her thoughts for the week on her weight loss journey, it struck me that she was in an energy of being in charge of her journey, of confidence in her plan. She was an expert energy. She was determined, and it was all because of what she was thinking. Her energy is the fuel for her actions, and that is how she will create her results. Her thought download was the inspiration for this episode because it occurred to me we need to protect that energy. The quality of your life is determined by the quality of your energy. The quality of your energy is determined by the quality of your thoughts. I want you to imagine trying to cool your house down to a comfy 72 degrees, say, when it's 90 degrees outside, but you have the doors wide open. That is what it's like when we are trying to pursue our goal, but we are consumed by thoughts that don't serve us. Thoughts that don't serve us create energy leaks. Today, I want you to write down what your extraordinary goal is. What's the number on the scale or in your bank account? What's the certification or title that you're pursuing? What's that thing that you want to acquire more than anything? What's that thing you just can't let go of? Write it down. Sit with your goal for a while and really think about it. And then write down all of the things that come up for you. Let your brain throw a fit. I promise you, it will. Let all of the reasons why you don't think you can create this outcome come to the surface, because right now, those thoughts, even though they may be buried in your subconscious, may not be top of mind, but they could still be draining you of the energy that you need in order to create your outcome. They could be creating an energy leak, and you don't even know it. 10 years ago, my husband and I sold our Midtown home and moved to the country. And that's what started our horse journey. I remember standing with the horses that I had bought at the sale barn. And I remember watching the girls pull up in their big rigs, and they would saddle up with their registered high-dollar horses and put all of their boots and straps and equipment on with so much confidence. I had no clue, and I had the thought that this is so hard, and I have so much to learn, and I'm too old to start this adventure, and who do I think I am anyway? I should have started earlier. I will never catch up with anyone, and I didn't even know who I was trying to catch up to. Do you see how all of those thoughts are low energy? And do you see how they were draining me of productive energy, knowledgeable energy, determination energy, persistence energy? I had to change my thoughts in order to change my energy. I had to protect my energy by managing my thoughts. Determination creates an energy of persistence. Confidence creates an energy of expertise. Love creates passionate energy. Confusion creates I don't know energy. Resentment creates self-pity energy. Doubt creates I can't energy. We think that if we create the outcome, that outcome will make us feel better, and then we will create the confidence, and then we will think better and feel better, and that's in the wrong order. That's not how it happens. We must first create the thought that supports our goal and our outcome, and that is what generates the emotion that will inspire the action that we need to take. No matter what your circumstance is right now, you can think in a way that gives you energy and drives you towards your goal, or you can think in a way that drains your energy. And that is what makes all of this feel so hard or take so long and makes it just not fun. Now, you have all of the thoughts about your goal on paper. I want you to go back through each one of those thoughts and determine the emotion that is created when you think that thought. Write it out, name it, then decide if this emotion is high octane fuel for the action that you need to take, or is it low octane fuel? Once you have identified all of the low-octane thoughts, refuse to think them. We must protect our energy by the thoughts that we allow and entertain and ruminate on. It's just as easy to ruminate on the thought that anything is possible and everything is possible, and it serves you so much better. This week, be very onto yourself and your brain and the energy-sucking thoughts that your brain throws you. Understand that these thoughts are only for your consideration. Identify the thoughts that are draining you and modify your thinking in a way that serves you better. And this isn't about taking a negative thought and putting a positive spin on it. It's about being intentional with your thinking. Don't let your brain sell you the lie that you can't, or you don't have time, or this isn't happening fast enough, or you aren't good enough. Your brain is always going to throw you a thought that is meant to keep you in the cave and meant to keep you from showing up as your highest and best self because of the amount of energy that will take, because it means stepping out of your comfort zone. And remember, your brain wants you to avoid the pain of discomfort, and it wants you to conserve energy. So it's going to throw you anything it can to put you in a space of inaction and low value, low profit, and low octane action. Protect your energy, my friends, by managing your thoughts. In my 6-week Life by Design Bootcamp, you can identify your energy leaks and go to work repairing them. It's a self-paced, lifetime access course. The link is in the show notes. Everything that you desire can be found in the energy of love, my friend. That is what I have for you today. And now, go have the best week ever. That's a wrap of the 10-Minute Mind Shift podcast. I hope that you were able to experience your own mind shift today. Listen, if you're ready to take this work to the next level, I highly recommend Life by Design Academy. It's my one-on-one coaching program that offers you a transformation at the speed of life.